This is our laboratory. There are many testing equipments here, including acid salt spray test chamber, neutral salt spray test chamber. Start salt spray test. Color difference test. Accurately measure color differences in product surface coatings. Gloss test meets design requirements. Cross-cut test. Hardness test. Friction test, RCA tape, abrasion tester. Chemical test. Saltwater immersion test. Second dimension measurement performs high-precision dimension measurement of the produced products by 2D projection. Golden sample rule.